What's up, guys? Marcus Brownlee here, and today we're diving deep into a device I've been really excited to check out. It's the brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. This isn't just another smartwatch, it's a statement. Samsung has been refining its wearables for years now, and with each iteration, they get closer to perfecting that blend of style, functionality, and seamless integration into our lives. My goal today is to give you a full, honest look at this watch. We'll explore everything it offers, from the moment you open the box to how it performs in real-world use. So, let's get into it and see if the Galaxy Watch 7 truly is the ultimate smartwatch experience for 2025. So what exactly is Samsung bringing to the table with the Galaxy Watch 7? This year, it's not just about minor tweaks or incremental updates. They've focused on some key areas to genuinely elevate the user experience. We're seeing a brand new chipset under the hood, promising significantly faster performance and much better power efficiency. The display technology has also received a noticeable upgrade, aiming for brighter, more vivid visuals and improved outdoor readability. Samsung is also continuing to refine its comprehensive suite of health sensors. The new Exynos W940 processor offers a significant boost in both CPU and GPU performance. This should translate directly to smoother animations, faster app loading times, and a more responsive user interface overall. More importantly, they're also highlighting improved power efficiency with this new silicon. The Galaxy Watch 7 features an updated Super AMOLED panel. It's noticeably brighter than before, which is a big deal when you're trying to check notifications or your workout stats under direct sunlight. Beyond the processor and display, the Galaxy Watch 7 is packed with an impressive array of sensors. Samsung has reportedly improved the accuracy of its heart rate monitoring and its SPO2 blood oxygen sensor. For connectivity, you have options for Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi, NFC for seamless payments, and an LTE model for true standalone use. Alright, let's get to one of my favorite parts, the unboxing. Samsung has been making commendable strides towards more sustainable packaging in recent years, and the Galaxy Watch 7 continues this positive trend. The box is compact, thoughtfully made from recycled materials, and feels quite premium despite its eco-conscious design. Sliding off the lid, the first thing you see is the Galaxy Watch 7 itself, nestled securely and elegantly in its compartment. Underneath the watch, you'll find the usual accessories carefully arranged. There's the magnetic wireless charging puck, which thankfully uses a USB-C connector on the other end. You also get some essential paperwork, the quick start guide, and warranty information. Picking up the Galaxy Watch 7 for the first time, it feels incredibly solid and exceptionally well built. The materials, whether you opt for the standard aluminum model or the rumored more premium titanium model, have a distinctively premium feel in the hand. The included strap feels comfortable and soft right out of the box. Setting up the Galaxy Watch 7 is a remarkably straightforward and quick process, especially if you're already integrated into the Samsung ecosystem. You simply power it on, and it promptly guides you to download or open the Galaxy Wearable app on your smartphone. The pairing process via Bluetooth is fast and seamless, taking only a moment. Within just a few minutes, you're fully up and running. Samsung has always aimed for a design that skillfully bridges the gap between a modern tech gadget and a traditional elegant timepiece. And the Galaxy Watch 7 confidently continues this design philosophy. It looks contemporary yet classic, a balance that many appreciate. The circular display is a staple of the Galaxy Watch line, and it works exceptionally well. The build quality feels absolutely excellent. The standard models typically use armor aluminum for the casing, which is both lightweight and impressively durable. There are also persistent rumors of a more premium titanium option for those who desire something even tougher, lighter, and with a more exclusive feel. Comfort is king when it comes to a device you wear 24/7, and the Galaxy Watch 7 scores very high marks in this critical department. It's surprisingly light for its extensive capabilities, and the ergonomic design of the watch case sits comfortably well on the wrist, even during sleep. The default silicone strap is soft, flexible, and breathable, making it perfect for workouts and extended everyday wear. When it comes to durability, the Galaxy Watch 7 is robustly built to withstand the elements and the rigors of daily life. It comes with a 5 ATM water resistance rating, meaning it's perfectly safe for swimming in the pool or ocean. Section 5, AI power, smarter than ever. One of the biggest talking points for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is its significantly enhanced AI capabilities. Samsung is really pushing the envelope here, aiming to make the watch not just a passive data collector but an intelligent and proactive assistant right there on your wrist. Think highly personalized insights based on your data, proactive suggestions that anticipate your needs, and features that learn your habits over time to serve you better and more efficiently. In the realm of health and fitness, the AI features are particularly promising and potentially transformative. The watch doesn't just track your workouts anymore, it intelligently analyzes your performance trends, your recovery status, and even your form during exercises to offer personalized coaching tips and feedback. Beyond fitness and health, AI aims to streamline your daily life and boost your productivity. The potential for AI on a wearable device like the Galaxy Watch 7 is truly vast and exciting. Section 6, Fitness and Health, your personal coach. For many people, a smartwatch is primarily a fitness tracker, and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is meticulously built to excel in this critical area. It offers comprehensive and detailed tracking for a wide variety of workouts, from common activities like running, cycling, and swimming, to more specialized gym sessions and outdoor sports. Automatic workout detection is usually quick and impressively accurate, so you don't have to worry if you occasionally forget to manually start a session before you begin. The watch diligently tracks key metrics such as distance, pace, calories burned, heart rate zones, elevation, and much more, providing a rich data set for your analysis. Samsung Health, the companion app, provides a detailed breakdown. The accuracy of the onboard sensors is absolutely crucial for meaningful and reliable fitness tracking. Samsung has been consistently working to improve its optical heart rate sensor technology, and the Watch 7 aims for even greater precision, especially during high-intensity workouts where readings can sometimes falter on lesser devices. Beyond standard fitness tracking, the Galaxy Watch 7 continues to expand its already impressive health monitoring capabilities. We have the established and valued features like SPO2 monitoring for blood oxygen saturation, ECG for checking heart rhythm irregularities, and blood pressure monitoring. Ultimately, a good fitness watch should not only track data passively, but also actively motivate you to achieve your goals. Section 7, Sleep Tracking and Battery Life Power Through Your Days. Good health isn't just about staying active during the day, it's also fundamentally about achieving quality, restorative rest at night. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 comes equipped with advanced sleep tracking features meticulously designed to help you understand and improve your sleep patterns. It carefully monitors your different sleep stages, including light, deep, and REM sleep, as well as your time awake throughout the night. The Samsung Health app then provides a detailed sleep score and valuable insights into your overall sleep quality. Now let's talk about battery life. A critical factor for any smartwatch that aims to be a constant companion. Samsung is claiming improved battery performance with the Galaxy Watch 7, thanks in part to the more power-efficient processor and potentially a slightly larger battery capacity compared to its predecessor. Ideally, you'd want a watch that can comfortably last at least a full day and night, including comprehensive sleep tracking on a single charge. When it's time to recharge, the Galaxy Watch 7 uses the familiar and convenient magnetic wireless charging puck. Samsung has been working on improving charging speeds in recent models, which is a welcome focus. The charger connects via USB-C, which is the current standard, making it easy to plug into various power sources like laptops, power banks, or wall adapters. Section 8, Ecosystem and Apps Seamless Integration. The Galaxy Watch 7 runs on Wear OS, powered by Samsung, a mature and feature-rich platform that effectively combines the best of Google's Wear OS with Samsung's extensive Tizen expertise. This means you get broad access to a vast and growing range of apps from the Google Play Store along with Samsung's own suite of well-designed and highly integrated applications. The user interface is smooth, highly intuitive, and very customizable, with a plethora of attractive watch faces and useful tiles, widgets, for quick information access. The ongoing collaboration between Google and Samsung has significantly improved the overall Wear OS experience, offering better performance, more apps, and more frequent, timely updates. If you're already invested in the Samsung Galaxy ecosystem, the Galaxy Watch 7 integrates absolutely seamlessly, creating a truly cohesive experience. Features like SmartThings allow you to effortlessly control your compatible smart home devices directly from your wrist with just a few taps. Samsung Wallet provides easy and secure access to your payment cards for contactless transactions and can also store digital keys for compatible locks in cars. Calls and messages sync effortlessly and reliably between your Samsung phone and your watch. Section 9, the verdict. Is this your next smartwatch? So, after spending quality time with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, putting it through its paces in daily life, what's the final word? This watch brings an incredible amount of functionality and refinement to the table. The evolved design is sleek, modern, and genuinely comfortable for all-day and all-night wear. The upgraded processor delivers exceptionally snappy performance, making all interactions smooth, fluid, and responsive. The display is simply gorgeous, bright, vibrant, and remarkably easy to see even in direct sunlight. The new AI-powered features, especially in the realms of health and fitness, show a lot of promise for a more personalized, insightful, and proactive user experience. My final verdict? The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is an outstanding smartwatch, arguably one of the very best you can get in 2025, especially if you're an Android user. If you're looking for a top-tier wearable device with a fantastic display, comprehensive and accurate health and fitness tracking, genuinely smart AI features, and a polished, intuitive user experience, this is definitely it. It's a fantastic upgrade for existing Galaxy Watch users and a very compelling option for anyone new to the world of smartwatches. If you're in the market for a new smartwatch and the features we've discussed today excite you, then I highly recommend checking out the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7.